Welcome to this tutorial. We're going to learn how to format data as percentages. And if you remember well, there needs to be a percentage is basically a fraction or a decimal point multiplied by 100. In this sense, I'm going to find the total here. So I'm going to use this, this plus this plus this. Okay. So I want to find what percentage of this against the total is this. Okay. So the way to do it is take this, divide by this, boom. So this is the decimal part of it. Now to drag the formula down, remember I can't drag the formula down because we can't divide these numbers by 0. Remember absolute referencing and relative referencing. This is still on relative referencing. So if I drag down, it goes to this one, but it also goes down to here. Okay, see, that's how it is. Okay, so I'm going to delete these two and then make this one absolute F13 because we are using the same cell. This is one of the areas where you're going to use absolute referencing. So F4, highlight that fraction, the denominator, the lower part, and just click on enter. Take it that I've not made the top part of F8, this cell, absolute. I've only made the lower part. Okay, then click on it and drag down. Okay, it's calculated them well, but these are not percentages, they're just decimal points. Okay, if I want to convert this to percentages, which in this case it will be 48.28 as a percentage, it's just go up to the home tab, click on this, or go to the drop down menu here and look for percentage. Okay, that's 48.28. okay, so that's how to change from decimal to percentage. If I want to change for an array of cells, I can just select the whole array of cells like here and click on the percentage, and it's going to select all this. Remember, if I use this icon here, it's going to use whole numbers. If I use the drop down here as a percentage, it's going to give to 2 decimal places. If you want to increase the decimal points, because initially it was 48.281, okay, 0.48 blah blah blah. If I want to increase this decimal point, I just highlight the cells, go to percentage, first change them to percentage, and then click on Control 1 as we said, because we can access the same options from here. Once you select on percentage, I can increase the number of decimal places here, so I can see it increases here as a preview. I've selected 6 decimal points. Okay, it gives us that percent, but it just doesn't make sense to have all those. I'm going to go back to 2 decimal places. I can even type it in and click on enter or okay. That's it, we are back to 2 decimal places. So that's how you format data as percentages, and also to increase the decimal points for all the percentages. See you in the next tutorial where we are going to use the format painter to format different cells as one cell that we've created. See you then. Bye bye.